Hey guys, it's Cam here, doing a video of this hard drive for this big desktop that I'm going to be disassembling and showing you the parts. And it's a pretty tricky process. It's really heavy too. So, just continue watching it, and this could actually be educational. You can use these switches right here. And yeah. Alright, let's get started. So, what you're going to need for this video, or for this assembly, is these small screwdrivers, little ones, a needle nose, needle nose pliers, a wrench, and large needle nose pliers, which is kind of like a mix between a wrench and needle nose, but it's useful. Alright, let's get started. So, first, to disassemble it, you'll notice screws here, and here. And there's a bunch of other screws right here, which we're going to also disassemble. So let's get started. Alright. We're going to need to unscrew these wide ones. You can just unscrew them with your fingers. If it doesn't go, some of them, use those big ones. Grip it like that and twist it. Give it a good twist, and then if it still doesn't go, keep on twisting it until it gets loose, and then you can twist it with your fingers. But yeah. Alright. I'll give you a heads up when the back thing is taken off and all the screws. Okay? Anyways, as a quick tip, I recommend you get like a hat or something and put these little screws and stuff in there, because they could be useful. You could use them for building stuff. Okay? Just as a quick little reminder, you may see rivets here, but I unscrewed all of the screws, as many as possible on here. There's still some few here that I'm going to unscrew. So let's go ahead and unscrew them. So we just open our little toolkit. We get the screwdriver. We start unscrewing these. Oh, they go pretty hard. Okay, there. Almost got it. Okay, there, we got one. Gosh, they do such a good job of screwing those screws and putting the shell on. I'm pretty surprised. Alright. Can't wait to see what's going to be inside. It's going to be so huge. Okay, if it doesn't go, you'll need to grab these, like the big needle nose, and twist. That's the assist. Trust me, it works way better. And you can just hold on to the top and it should do it automatically. Now, oh wait, still goes stuck. Okay, here it goes. It's getting looser and looser. Okay, I should be able to unscrew that now. Yeah, okay. I got it under control. There's another screw. Here's another one right here. Okay, I'll be unscrewing. I'll just get back to you in 1 second. So, I finally got all the rivets out. Well, not rivets, the screws. And I figured out, to get the rivets out, all I do is, you put I just got myself a flat screwdriver and just bang under there. And I should get it out. Not really sure. This goes pretty hard. I've done this before and it actually works. Maybe these rivets are pretty... Yeah, you know what? I won't work on rivets right now. But a few parts pop down in there, like the fan and stuff and the buttons. So there's just dropped in there. So, it seems to be sliding. what's in here. Okay, there's the shell. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Look at that. All of that. That's crazy. Oh, and the bottom shell seemed to come off too, but I'm not gonna take it off right now. So, let's get disassembling. Okay, so I just managed to zoom the camera in a little bit, but let's get started here. So, there's a bunch of star fittings in here. So, it's right at the top right here. I think where is all the memory and stuff, but let's unscrew it all. Okay. Well, it's going pretty easy actually. Wow, I'm surprised. Oh, one goes hard. Okay. I'll catch up to you guys in a second while I unscrew this stuff on top. Okay, so I got all the screws out and stuff at this part. So let's go ahead and see if it wiggles off. I'm not sure. I think it's riveted to the sides. There's a few more screws right here, so let's work at them. Okay, so as I said, use the big pliers and turn this. It works 100% guaranteed all the time, unless if it's rusted. But yeah. Alright. Okay, almost. Just make them loose and then I can unscrew them really fast once I got them loose. Okay, let's see. Still pretty tight. So let's go ahead and unscrew that. Seems like some of these screws are stripped. So it must have been repaired before we used drills. Okay, got that one screw. What about this one? This one should be easy. Oh yeah. Alright, so everything's in here. Now let's flip the thing over. There's the shell. I don't know if you can take it apart on this side either. There's lots of screws too. But let's see. There's a bunch of screws inside here. And there's cables galore. You would not believe it. Cables galore. There's the right here is the fan, I think. Yeah, it's the fan. The main power source, transformer. Let me just put that aside for now. So many cables. Aha, there's the motherboard. Well, actually, there's a huge motherboard. It's like a ultra program. Let's see, does this come off? I'm not sure. Oh my gosh, there's so many stuff in here, you would not believe it. Wow. Let's unscrew the circuit boards. Oh, and there's like a circuit board cooler too. Wow, there's like 1, 2, 3, there's like 3 fans. Maybe there might be even the 4th one in there. It's crazy. I did not know it requires so many fans. Okay. Got this one unscrewed. And my lucky hat. Okay. And I got this unstuck. There's the one circuit board. It's like black and kind of like a goldish look to it. This is like the main sound and recording and like internet and stuff. And that's the one that projects like the call it, color and stuff, and sound. But let's go ahead and unplug this. It does. It should unplug. If it doesn't, then it's just loaded, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna find a few things to unplug. Here, it should, most of these things are like plugs and stuff, so they should come out. Okay. Let's take this one out. Stop. Alright, got almost all the cables out. Let's see if this one, oh yeah, this one comes out too. This big black one should come out too. Alright, and this bottom ones should come out too. Okay, got that one too. Now, there's some right here. Okay, there's one. Now we have to conquer this one. Oh my gosh, do they ever go hard? Oh, got it. Okay, that's the second one. Let's try and get this one. I can't seem to get it. Oh, got it. So, it's another one. There. This one's a little bit different. Still 3 sections. I don't know why they put it in 2 sections. Just put a pile over there. Anyways, lots of cables. Let's squiggle this one loose. See what this one. Let's squiggle it loose. Got it. Okay, now there's another one right here. Wow, that's one big motherboard. Gosh, really hard to take out. Can't seem to be taking it out. But let's try and work on these little ones. It's funny how they're all attached but not soldered to things. So that's most of the cables out. Okay, so I got the fan out. It's pretty dusty. I'm gonna save this. I have a little handy box right here to put all the stuff in, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put all that stuff in there. All the cables. Okay. I got another. Apparently this one pops out right here. So you use a little screw. Just push it right there. Okay, to get unstuck. Try to stretch myself. I don't know, it doesn't seem to be getting loose at all. You might have to force this one. Broke it. Anyways, this one doesn't come out. It's the sad part. Alright. Stuff there. Gosh, there's a sure lot of stuff here. Okay. Got another one to unplug. You gotta force this one too. It did not want to go. Wow, look at that. It's like hair wires. It's really weird. Really tiny wires, but like formed into like hairs. Alright. just work on getting this other stuff out. Seems to be quickly popping, but nothing really. Oh, USB ports. These can be useful in some way. If your computer's broken and these USB ports work, you could use that. So, I think we pretty much conquered everything on this side. Although I can't pull anything out. I'll have to undo the screws from the bottom in order to get this stuff out. So, let's do it.